Meaning of dioxin.
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 Dioxin. Dioxins are a group of highly toxic chemical compounds that are byproducts of various industrial processes, such as waste incineration and paper pulp bleaching. They are persistent in the environment and can accumulate in the food chain, posing a serious health threat to humans and animals alike. Exposure to dioxins can cause a range of adverse effects, including developmental and reproductive problems, immune system damage, and cancer. Due to their toxicity and environmental persistence, dioxins are considered to be one of the most hazardous pollutants by many regulatory agencies around the world.